I am Chandan Pandey. I am co-founder and CEO with Quantinox Technology Private Limited. Quantinox is a B2B commerce company for supply of various industrial products to various industries. Quantinox is headquartered in Gurgaon. We have warehouses at multiple locations. I have worked with companies like Hindustan Petroleum, Lanco Infratech, Tata Power, Mahindra & Mahindra, Inox Wind, and I have personally felt that existing supply chain management activity is highly inefficient, unstructured. It currently works on intuition and creativity, which I wanted to transform in terms of analytics with the use of technology, so that we will be able to optimize the inventories of the customer. So when we started Quantinox, so we were thinking that everything can be managed through Excel. So we have sales team sitting all across. We have delivery team sitting in warehouses. We have procurement team centralized in Gurgaon, and we are now planning to have procurement team in all the zones to broaden our supplier base. The problem that we were facing during our operations, everybody was making their own formats. The data were very unstructured, and the kind of data that we are going to process in long run cannot be handled by the manual efforts. The entropy of the system was becoming very high, and this was the high time we thought that we should go ahead with a proven technology which can handle our data. So while dealing with the customers without ERP, I faced that the timelines were not being met in terms of sending the quotations on time and sending the quotation to the suppliers on time and delivering the products to the customer on time. And we wanted to have a better customer experience because this was our USP. We are typically dealing with large clients like Tata Group, Mahindra & Mahindra, Vedanta Group. And we wanted to have the intelligence built in the automated supply chain management processes. SAP came into picture in between, and it was coming in the budget also. Then I had a chance to speak to SAP team. The way they supported me in finalizing the product, SAP product, it was commendable. So we decided that let's go ahead with SAP by Design. So the first outcome which I foresee is the timeline is going to be met for the processes that we follow. For example, submission of the quotation to the customer on time, the deliveries will be met on the time, and since there is no communication with the existing system currently, so at least that communication will be there, the flag raise and the red flags would be there. So we have a plan to have our own e-commerce company, and so we were thinking that our e-commerce company would be integrated with our ERP. We came across that we can integrate each and every functionality with SAP by Design using APIs, and the APIs are available and are modified on continuous basis by SAP by Design. So this was one of the important features we are looking for, and that SAP by Design already had this. And typically we thought that we will implement SAP by Design on our own, being a technology company. But at the end, it was coming up that we need some expert to implement it. And then we spoke to Unicops. And Unicops team basically supported us in all the way. Thankfully, whatever the timeline that were set, the SAP by Design was implemented in that timeline and even in lesser budget. Everybody is looking for the lower cost implementation, and the quality also has to be good. So I would personally recommend everyone to use Unique Ops for SAP implementation.